everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to rename brushes in Procreate. Okay, so open a new canvas for me and then go to your brush library and tap on any brush that you want to rename. Now it's important to note that you can't rename any of the default brushes that came with Procreate because Procreate is the designer of those brushes, so you can't edit them in any way. But let's say you made your own brush and you want to rename it. I'll show you how to do that now. So I'm going to tap on my Sarah monoline brush. Now you're going to see your brush studio. You're going to see a bunch of different options. You're going to want to go down to about this brush. And then up here, this is your brush name. So tap on that and you can edit that, rename it whatever you want. And then when you're done, tap done and it will show up right in your brush library. And that's all you have to do to rename your brushes. Pretty simple, right? Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week.